Hello, I'm Dr. Celal Alioğlu, aesthetic and plastic surgeon in Istanbul. Undergoing a surgery once is a big decision, and needing it a second time can be frustrating, whether you are experiencing implant displacement, capsule formation, or renewed sagging. Revision breast aesthetics is about restoring both the shape of your breast and your peace of mind. The breast is a dynamic organ and it changes with gravity, weight and time. Common issues we see include capsular contracture, where the tissue hardens around the implant, or bottom-out deformity, where the breast tissue sags below the implant, or various other deformities. Sometimes it is simply a desire to change the size or the plane of implant, moving it from above the muscle to below it for a more natural look. In revision breast surgery, we don't just swap the implant, we treat the tissue. If you have a hardened capsule, we perform a capsulectomy to remove that capsule tissue. If you have sagging, we perform a revision lift surgery. We often change the pocket of the implant to ensure long-term stability. These require detailed planning and high surgical precision. The surgery takes approximately 1 hour to 3 hours, depending on your deformity. You will stay 1 night in hospital and 7 days in Istanbul. You can return to social life in 1 week, but you must wear a surgical bra for 1 month to support the healing tissue. You don't have to live with a result that you aren't happy. Contact us for a personal evaluation and let's correct it together. Visit our website and social media accounts for more information. Thank you for watching.